What's up, guys? Welcome to GoGo Motoring YouTube channel. So here I am in my 2003 BMW Z4 3.0i, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a solution I found for the cup holders in this car. So if you'll watch the review of this car, you know that one of the complaints I had with the car was in fact the cup holders that come here. There's two cup holders. There's one here, there's one here. This one right over here is broken. It broke off in the middle of the, I don't know when it broke off, like a few months ago when I was trying to use it. And so that one's totally become useless. So there's only one other cup holder available, and that other cup holder is right here. And let me see if I can show you what that looks like. So this is the cup holder. It's pretty flimsy, and I've got my trusty GoGo Motoring coffee mug over here, which you all may want to buy one of these days. But when I put it like this in there, you have to kind of tighten it up. Now this particular cup right now doesn't have any water inside, so it's not heavy and it fits fine. But when it has water and you're making turns, I mean, the thing just kind of unlocks, and you have to worry about the contents of the cup spilling all over your pants. So the cup design, the cups holders just aren't any good. So I looked, do this back to you. So I looked around and wanted to see whether I could find other cup holders to take the place of these. And so here's the one that I found. It's Iokone. I found it on my wife's favorite website, Amazon.com. So we ended up buying this thing, and it's pretty, here's kind of what it looks like. You've got basically two cup holders and a space to put your phone in. And the way that it works is you just sort of fit it in between the seat, right? So you go like this, and now it's that's all you have to do. So then you putting the GoGo Motoring mug in here, it fits pretty well. It's certainly a lot better, certainly a lot sturdier than these flimsy cup holders that they have. I've driven the car, using these cup holders with this mug and another one, and for the most part, it does a good job. If you have a smaller mug like these, the circumference of these holders is a little bit wide, so there's still a little bit of movement in it, but it certainly works a lot better than the stock ones that are in the car. The other drawback to this particular cup holder is that it does take a little bit of room, for the passenger. So they're going to have a little bit less room if you use these. But I think all in all, it's still a much sturdier product than what you would get with the stock cup holder. So that's the review of this particular product. I'd definitely recommend it. I mean, you can't, there might be other ones out there. If you think there's something else that will work better for the Z4, leave a comment below, let me know. But I still think these work better than the ones that are in the car, which is honestly not hard to do. So appreciate your watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.